Okay, guys, I think I'm recording on my mother's iPhone, which is iPhone 6s, because I'm not gonna say my own mother's name because due to the privacy reasons on it. So, look what happened to my iPhone. It just died. I can't turn it back on. You see, it just instantly died. It was real for me, and it's just like the memes on it. Ugh. Guys, I'm getting a new iPhone and I had to keep it plugged into my iPhone right there. Sorry guys, and we can't make more videos because of this when I unplugged into it. So, if you're an iPhone user or an Android user, what model did you use today? Let me know in the comments below. As of right now, bye bye.